what you done started. If you keep shaking, you keep shaking If you keep shaking, you keep.
Everyone keeps asking me like, are you nervous? Are you nervous? Are you nervous? Like, no, I am not nervous. Like, I'm ready to go. Like, I've been home 2 extra years than everyone else because I went to community college. So like, girl, I am not nervous. I'm ready to leave, okay? The whole car. I feel like it's harder, like, when you move into an apartment, you just have 10 times more stuff than, like, when you move into a dorm. And then guess what? I ain't done. I have more stuff in my brother's car. How? I do not know. I arrived. I had to walk, like, a little bit. I had to drive a little bit and then walk a little bit to get my key to my room. All our stuff. Got everything out.
T'as pu ça le j'ai déjà. Le zipper. Allez, on y va.
Right, so I look like a mess. I look absolutely disgusting, but I just went to Walmart, picked up a couple of things, just like little cubbies, more storage space. I got like, I don't know what they're called, but they're like stuff that you put on top of your toothbrush, like something to protect your toothbrush. I went to Chipotle, and then my mom ate Brick's Pizza, and then we head home. We said goodbye, and it wasn't sad, like I didn't cry at all, just because I think Monday I'm going back there to get my like hair done, and then I'll probably cry. But I finished my room. My room is pretty much organized. I'm going to show you guys everything. I'll go more into detail in a separate video, like a room tour. And get down from my bed. I have slippers because I don't know, I thought they were cute. So when you walk into, I'm gonna start from the very beginning just because my roommates aren't here, so might as well. It's kind of creepy because it's so dark. All right, so when you walk into the apartment, right here on the right side is my roommate's room, and then they have their sink and their bathroom. And then when you walk in, like, so there's a door. When you walk in, here's the kitchen. Let me turn on the lights so you guys can see it better. Here's a kitchen. They give you a refrigerator, a microwave, and a stove, and then a dishwasher. And then you have 2 little couches. You have a view of the campus. Wow, so cute. But then they have a TV. Apparently they don't have cable, so that's so stupid. Like, there's no point of having a TV if you're not gonna give us cable. So that way is my roommate's side, and then this way is my side and my room. So this is my room, and then this is hers. So here's the mirror, same thing as the other side. So here's the mirror, and then there's a bathroom. Nothing too fun to look at in the bathroom. Just toilet, and then the shower. And then here's the bathroom. I think that's cute for pictures, honestly. That's pretty good lighting. And then when you walk into my room, this is how it looks. So when you open it, there's a closet, which is really nice. Like, I could add so much stuff in my closet just because there's so much space. I did not think there's gonna be that much space. But yeah, honestly, I could put like all my winter clothes, all my summer clothes here. I still have my suitcase. I was gonna put it under my bed. When I finish, I have a few stuff to hang up. I just don't have hangers to put them. So my mom's gonna come back and give me hangers. And I have Tide. Sorry the lighting's so bad, but I have Tide here and just like dishwasher stuff, and then just like a bunch of stuff like that. There's my laundry bin, and my grocery bag is in my laundry bin. And then I have like stuff for my bathroom. I have a refrigerator of food. And then I'll go more into detail, like what's in here and like all that kind of stuff, and like what's on my desk in my separate video, my room tour. and like what's under my bed and stuff. But the fun part about my room is these lights. That's the only thing that makes it feel like kind of roomy and like kind of at home. So let me show you guys a little bit close. So I have a picture of my friend, and then I have a picture of Carmelo once again. There's gonna be so many pictures of Carmelo, just so you know. Then a picture of me and my brother, a picture of me and my mom, a picture again with Carmelo, and then a picture of me and Carmelo at the beach. I just printed this out and it's so dark, so I don't know why it's so dark. I think because it was low on battery or something. I have no idea. But I have to charge it and I don't have a charger. I lost it, so I can't print out any more new pictures until I buy a new charger for my printer, my Polaroid printer. And then I have a picture of me and Guggen when we were in high school, so it's very old. So I definitely want to print out more pictures and like hang them up here and like down here and stuff. But for now, I guess this is enough for now. So it's honestly everything. That's my whole room. Guys, so I'm gonna go FaceTime my friends just to like keep me company because I'm legit all by myself. Like there's people in my building, surprisingly. Like I honestly thought I was gonna be by myself because who wants to pay $100 to move in like a whole week early? I wouldn't if I didn't have orientation. But so yeah, there's just some people. There's people like outside talking super loudly and like keeping each other company. I have no one here. None of my roommates are here, so I'm gonna FaceTime my friends and just talk to them and just kind of like keep myself company because I'm kind of bored and I don't have TV to like keep me company or anything. Thank you guys so much for watching my move-in day. I've always wanted to do this for so long. Like this has been like a huge milestone for me because I don't know, I've always watched these videos since like junior/senior year of high school. I've always wanted to do this and now I'm doing it. Now like I'm living on my own. I'm just so happy and I'm just proud of myself, honestly. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Like water, you flow right through me.